107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo.
Alright! Yes, it is. Basta Radyo Ibandera mo. 107.1 News FM Radyo Bandera. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to the Monday na naman, Monday edition of this radio show. The very first episode for March 2. And I say, we march forward. Yeah! Kanina, dahil Marso na, narinig nyo yung mga, nag-ikot yung mga fire truck. Mga wangwang. Yung bunso ko, mahilig sa fire truck yan. Pag nakakita ng fire truck, amaze na amaze eh. Well, every boy kid naman pag nakakita ng fire truck, natutuwa. Ayan. Going around the city. Of course, alam niyo na ibig sabihin yan. March, the month of March is Fire Awareness Month. Okay? Awareness. Fire Prevention Month ang March, no? Okay? Alam niyo kung bakit? Yan na, mainit na eh. Umpisa na yan ng summer, officially ang March no? Pero minsan nadidelay. May time na malamig pa yung March, mga unang week. Pero yeah. So nag-ikot na kanina. Umikot yung mga, alam niyo ba yung bumbero talaga, yung sa Tagalog noon, yung firefighter? Fireman, firefighter. Hindi naman talaga bumbero eh. Ang exact Tagalog noon eh. Ewan ko kung ano yung bumbero, kung saan nagmula, kung hindi exact Tagalog yung bumbero. Dahil daw ayun, si Pilosopong Tasyo, sabi niya, dahil DJ kasi nagbobomba ng tubig. Buti naman nilinaw mo. Tubig yung binobomba ha, tubig. Okay. Sige. Tubig yung binobomba. And also, in addition to that, I was supposed to say, ano yung talagang exact Tagalog ng firefighter? Kagawad, pamatay, sunog. Di ba? Yan talaga yung exact meaning niyan eh. Kagawad, pamatay, sunog. Ngayon, alam nyo na. Tanong nyo pa si Barangay Captain Billy Capistrano dating kagawad, pamatay, sunog yan, ng SBMA. Masipag na mama yan. Bago yan naging barangay captain nagsilbi muna siya sa SBMA bilang isa sa mga kagawad, pamatay, sunog. Yan. Bombero na hindi nagbobomba. Good evening sa iyo, Kapitan. Kapitan Billy. Yeah, I hope you're doing fine, huh? Okay, so, yun. It is what it is. Yan ang isa sa mga kaganapan. Makati pa rin, pasensya na. And isa pa sa kaganapan, syempre yung gera sa Middle East, no? Hindi pa naman World War III. Just a few countries kampihan, pero hindi pa World War III. Pero yung Iran, parang Lebanon lang yata yung kakampi, no? Pati kapwa nila Muslim country, tinira din no? Qatar, Bahrain, other parts of UAE. But pati yung mga yung pinagtitira niya? Well, alam ko may US military base doon, di ba? Sabi, simple lang naman ang katwiran. Yan yung mga bansang may US military base, kaya tinira. Kaya lang, some of them, hindi naman talaga US military base yung tinira. Mga, di ba, may building. So, civilian yung mga nandoon. Di ba? May mga private company na nasaktan, natamaan. May hotels. Ba't ganun? Di ba? Dapat kalkulado. Kung magpapakawala ka ng missile, kalkulado. Kagaya nung ginawa hindi ko man sinasabing, wala akong kinakampihan dito. Mas gusto ko walang gera, no? Kasi kawawa ang mga ang mga inosente, di ba? Yung mga walang kinalaman, alam mo yun, kumukuya-kuya-kuy lang, tapos biglang, ay, bomba! Di ba? Nakakatakot dyan yung gaya natin, di ba? Example kasi DJ ako sa radyo, di ba? Umi-ere ka lang sa radyo, di ba? Nagpapahinga ka, tatapos mo mag-ere. Tapos biglang kaboom, ay, bomba! Di ba? Ang hirap naman ng gano'n, di ba? Umi-ere ka, nagpo-program ka, tapos in between, kumukupit ka sa commercial ng radio station. Ay, kupit! Tapos tinamaan ng bomba, boom! Ay, bomba! Naku, yung kotse ko. Nakuha ko sa kupit yan. Ay, bomba! I'm just trying to make you laugh. Hindi ko naman pinagtatawanan yung nangyayari. It's sad. Sabi ko nga, gaya nga ng sabi ko, mas magandang walang gera, di ba? Okay? Walang nananalo sa gera. Promise. Nanalo yung isang country, feeling niya, nanalo siya. Paano naman yung yung mga nasaktan, namatay, na walang kinalaman, talo ka dun, Dre. Di ba? Mas maganda wala na lang gera, no? Can't we just all get along well, everybody? Share the earth. Sa mga driver naman, share the road. Di ba? Okay, share the road, share the earth. Let's all just get along together. Nagbanta si Trump. Yung latest sa mga hindi nakapalo sa latest. Sabi niya, nagbanta siya pagka hindi raw tumigil ang retaliations. Unimaginable. Yan. Babanat sila on a scale na hindi mo akalain. Parang ganun. Hindi ko maaalala exact words niya. Pero basta yon. Babanat sila na pet malu. Parang ganun. Yun ibig sabihin. Yeah. We will bomb you on unimaginable scale. We will bomb Iran. Yun, yung mga ganun. Pag hindi raw tumigil sa retaliations. Pero sabi niya, itong new regime, nagpaparamdam daw ng na gusto ng talks. Kung gusto raw nila ng talks, he will talk, sabi naman ni Trump. Di ba? So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-talk sila, pare-pareho silang may talk-talk. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, anong pinagmumulan nito, parang, malalim no? Mahirap ipaliwanag Pero isa na nga yung is, sabi nga ng US, they're trying to set the Iranian people free. Kaya baka nagtataka kayo, bakit yung mga hindi nakakapag-follow ng history niyan, yung storya niyan, merong mga di ba? Merong mga Iranian na galit sa US, pero kung titingnan mo naman, nung ginawa ng yung pang-i-strike ng Israel tsaka ng US, ang daming natuwa ring Iranian. Di ba? Or Persian. Persia dati yan bago naging Iran Di ba? Tinumba pa nga nila yung statue ni Ayatollah Khomeini. Di ba? Si Ayatollah, tagal na yan 80s pa siya na naalala ko, nasa elementary school pa lang ako, pinag-aaralan namin, leader of Iraq, siya na yung nakalagay na Ayatollah Khomeini. Meron pang isang radio station noon in Manila na parang he's a good DJ, parang rock and roll yung forte niya. Parang ang sabi, the Ayatollah of rock and roll. Yun, isa sa mga DJ. Di nyo na alam yun, yung iba. 80s pa yun. There you go. There's proof the radio has been always been really my life. Okay. So, let's get it on with today's holidays and observances and the famous birthday for you. All right, so let's check it out. This is being brought to you by Angel's Pizza. Okay, Angel's Pizza, Olongapo City, located at number 395 Rizal Avenue Extension. All right, harap lang yan ng 4th Street. Okay, if you're familiar with 4th Street, yung bungad nun, yan. Nandoon ang Angel's Pizza, Olongapo. You may call or text for inquiries 0967-164-4650 and 0967-164-4646. Okay? Check out their birthday package promo. Kung may nagbe-birthday sa inyo, eto lang solved na. Di ba? Package A, 2 big family-sized pizzas, 2 chicken wings, 2 pasta platter, 2 1-liter lychee lemonade. Lemonade. Nakalagay. Lemonade. Lemonade dyan. Free Angel Pizza Card or APC card for only 2,499. Di ba? Sold na yung mga 10 katao dyan, Package B, 2 family-sized pizzas, 2 chicken wings, 1 pasta platter, 1 liter lychee lemonade, 2. Okay? Again, the APC card and medium-sized pepperoni pizza for only 1,999. Mga 6 to 8 persons. So, di ba? Yung pang-5 katao, sa akin pa lang yon. Matakaw ako. Okay. So, on with today's holidays and observances muna. Monthly observance, let me tell you, dahil first day of March natin, I mean, first episode for March. Ito, ang monthly observances. The month of March is Action and Skill Toys Month. Okay, Rescue a Guinea Pig Month. What's this? American Red Cross Month. Okay, or Red Cross Month worldwide. Asset Management Month, Brain Injury Awareness Month, Child Life Month, ang dami Clap for Health Month. What's this? Colorectal Cancer Awareness Month. Credit Education Month. Deaf History Month. Deep Vein Thrombosis or the DVT Month. Employee Spirit Month. Dami ha. Holy Humor Month. Ano mga holy humor nyo? Ako marami. May share ko mamaya. Holy Humor Month. In celebration of Holy Humor Month, here's my holy humor. Yung mga jokes na may kinalaman yung, alam mo na, religion, gods, and yeah. It's just humor. It's just jokes. Those are jokes. Honor Society Awareness Month. Humorous are Artists Month. Yan, yung mga humorist, mga stand-up comedian, ano? Artists yan, mga yan. Oh, yes, yes, yes. International Ideas Month, International Listening Awareness Month, International, what's this? Irish American Heritage Month. Dami pala, no? Ba't ba napasabak ako rito? March Frozen Food Month, Music in Our School Month, Athletic Training Month, Breast Implant Awareness Month, Caffeine Awareness Month. I'm well aware of my caffeine. That's why I'm chugging a whole lot. What's this? Chronic Fatigue Syndrome Month. Okay. Ethics Awareness Month. Essential Tremor Awareness Month. Eye Donor Month. Frozen Food Month. Hockey Month. Hockey. All right. Multiple Sclerosis Education Awareness Month. Kidney Month. Kite Month. Saranggola, pati saranggola. Matayog ang lipat ng saranggo. Noodle Month. Uy, noodles. Parang nami-miss ko na It's been a long time since nag-noodle ako. Yeah, I miss noodles. Nutrition Month. Mamaya nga pag-uwi. Peanut Month. Mani. Mahilig ako sa mani. Yung mga tropa ko rin, yung mga kamembro ka ng ng pinagkaisang unyon ng kalalakihang inaapi. Yan. PUNKI. Punki. Pinagkaisang unyon ng kalalakihang inaapi. Lahat yan, mga mahilig sa mani, yung mga yan. Sila Eugene Ebreo, si Sandro Basilio, si Ronelio Soli, Joseph Eric Calma, tsaka isa pang Eric, si Eric Pawalny, Eric Bislan pa. Oh, tatlong Eric yan. Eh. Sino ba? I hope wala akong nakalimutan. Baka mamaya magtampo. Si John Gicoli Santos, si Peter de Guzman, si Richard Tingson. Mga miyembro yan ng pinagkaisang unyon ng kalalakihang inaapi. Nasingit ko lang kasi ang mga pare, ang month of March is Peanut Month. Yung paborito nyong kainin, nilagang mani. Natin. Ako rin, I admit. Peanuts is good for you, di ba? Yung mga bata, mas magandang yan ay pa-snack natin sa kanila. Yung nilaga, hindi yung pinirito. Yung nilagang mani, yan ang magandang ipa-snack sa kanila, alam nyo ba? Di ba? Kesa yung sa yung mga yung mga processed food na naka-foil pack, yung mga chichirya kung tawagin, mas maganda, mas healthy, no? Ayan, okay. So, there you have it. Just some of the few monthly observances for the month of March. And yung daily naman. May daily pa, di ba? March 2. March 2 ngayon, Academy Awards Day. Ang March 2. Really? Academy Awards? Mamaya, tingnan ko nga. Dr. Seuss Day. Si Dr. Seuss. What else? Fun fact about names day. How about you guys? Maganda pag-usapan to, no? What are your fun facts about your name? Nakakatuwang parte ng pangalan mo or story ng pangalan mo? Ako ito, I'm gonna share. Mauna na ako. Kayo, sunod kayo ha. Mamaya, fun facts about names day. When I was born, martial law. Ayan na, nagkaalaman ng edad. Martial law. Alam niyo naman si DJ Tommy. Siyempre, hindi naman talaga DJ Tommy yung tunay na pangalan ko. Ang pangalan ko talaga, first name ko is Thompson. Thompson. Yan. Para si Clay Thompson, di ba? Pinangalan ako sa Thompson submachine gun. It's a type of gun sa mga hindi nakakaalam. Yung Tommy gun, kung tawagin, Tommy, Tommy gun, hindi rin naman talaga Tommy gun ang pangalan nun. Parang naging nickname niya lang din. Thompson machine gun ang tawag doon. Thompson submachine gun. Okay? To shorten it a little bit, ginawa nilang Tommy gun. So when I was born, my father's name is Thomas with an H, Thomas. Nag-iisip siya ng maisusunod sa pangalan niya na Thomas. Wala siyang maisip. Martial law yun. Siyempre, hinarang sila ng sundalo nung mga anak na yung nanay ko. Kasi bawal lumabas nung martial law di ba? Somewhere in the 70s ito, early 70s. So, hinarang sila ng sundalo. Sabi ng sundalo, Marshall, bawal lumabas Tapos sa sasakyan, narinig niya yung nanay ko. Mga anak, sabi nung sige po, daan na. Tapos nakita ng tatay ko yung baril na hawak-hawak ng sundalo. It's a Thompson submachine gun. There you go. So pagdating sa hospital, may pangalan na ako. Yeah! And there you go. Fun fact about my name. How about you guys? Kayo rin, ha? Share nyo rin, ha? Fun fact about your names mamaya. Ano pa? Teen Mental Illness Day. And the World Tennis Day. Nowadays, when we talk about tennis, when the mere mention of the word tennis, one person comes to mind, Alex Iyala! Yeah! Sa ngayon, siya yung pride and joy natin ng Pilipinas. Just like our Manny Pacquiao back then during his heyday. Ngayon naman si Alex Iyala, ang ating pride and joy. Napakagaling na tennis player. Alam mo, some say, wala masyado raw tayong, hindi naman daw ganun talaga kagaling, hindi nga nag-champ. She's young! Yung iba, utak talangka no? Crab mentality yung iba. She's young. Ganun talaga. You know what's great about her? Tinalo niya yung mga nasa top 10 Tatlo na nga ang tinalo niya sa top 10 di ba? Hindi ko lang alam kung ano yung ranking ng tatlong tinalo niya. To be among the top 20 tennis players is already great. Paano kung tinatalo mo yung mga nasa top 10, tatlo sa top 10 tinalo mo? Di ba? Yung iba kasi wag nga kayong enjoy na lang, matuwa kayo na di ba? Kinikriticize pa tayo, mga Pilipino daw, unruly, the game of tennis is, alam mo yun, tahimik lang yung tao. Kung si Novak Djokovic nga the number one male tennis player in the world, naintindihan niya Sabi niya, ganun talaga. Sabi niya, it's their pride and joy and I'd rather, tapos dumadami yung tao, dami nanonood. Buti nga, ganun yung mga Pilipino Napaka-supportive sa athlete na, kayo kasi hindi Di ba? Sabi ni Novak Djokovic, yun yung pangalan niya. Idol ko rin yan. You know what I like about Novak? Kahit hindi pa niya sinasabi ito baka sabihin niyo dahil pinuri niya si Alex Ayala. Even long before, idol ko na si Novak Djokovic. Bakit? Alam niyo kung bakit? Among the tennis players na magagaling ngayon, kung nakikibandwagon lang ako, I should have picked Roger Federer or Rafael Nadal, di ba? Pero si Novak talaga ang favorite ko ever since. Dahil Novak Djokovic has a good sense of humor. Komikero yun Galing magpatawa. If you're not aware, you wanna find out what I'm talking about. Tingnan nyo on YouTube. May mga uploaded na mga kakulitan niya. Yeah. Kaya that's why I like him. Pwede siyang parang he's the stand-up comedian of tennis. Si Novak Djokovic. Sabi ni Novak Djokovic, I'd rather have a full pack, playing court kesa an empty. Rather an empty. Diba? Tennis court, playing court. Mabuti na yung ganun. Diba? Yung maraming nanonood, maraming sumusuporta. Diba? Kung hindi ikaw yung maraming sumusuporta, yung kalaban mo maraming sumusuporta, di challenge sa'yo yun. Diba? To do better. Tama nga naman diba? Kaya, yan ang mga tamang takbo ng tak-o. Hindi, wag yung lagi nilang pansariling kapakinabangan ng iisipin, manghihila tayo pababa, mananalangka tayo. Sasabihin, si DJ Tommy G, toxic daw, na makasama sa trabaho. Pero ang totoo, naiinggit ka lang kasi ang dami kong kayang gawin na hindi mo kayang gawin. Ganun lang yun Mga taong maraming contribution, maraming nagawa, maraming palalabasin na yan di ba? Pagka naiinggit sa'yo, ganun. Yun na. Yun na yung pang last World Tennis Day. And now, for those who are celebrating their birthdays today, this one's for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
March 2 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Filipina actress Bianca Umali. She was born March 2, year 2000. So, it's 2026. So, she's exactly 26 years old today. Pagka ganyan yung mga birth year, andaling bilangin. 2000 And Filipino billionaire. Alam nyo ba, isa to sa mga pinakamayamang Pilipino sa mundo. Billionaire. Pare, hindi siya millionaire, billionaire. Wow, pare. Enrique Razon. Yan, March 2, 1960. Why is he super rich? International port terminals. Yung may malalaking crane na pag tinignan mo, akala mo magta-transform. Autobots, transform, and roll for it. Gabby Igerman. March 2, 1978, Filipino actor, singer, model, and television presenter. Nadine Samonte, actor and model, March 2, 1988. And Hector Calma of the San Miguel Beermen back in the during his heydays. He's among the best, the top point guard in the country. Ilang beses na nito nirepresent ang bandilang Pilipinas sa mga international competition, and he's really, really good point guard. The best point guard during his heyday. He plays with the San Miguel Beer. Tapos he was born March 2, 1960. Okay? He's so good they give him the moniker the Penetrator, the Liquidator. Nowadays hindi na with the woke culture. You call somebody the Penetrator, baka ma-cancel ka, baka iba ang dating, But yeah, I'm not into that. I don't care. I'm just describing. Words are neutral. It's the person using the word in which the context it's being used. Yun eh. Diba? Words are neutral. Okay? And next up we have happy birthday also to birth anniversary today ni former Soviet leader si Mikhail Gorbachev. He's the only Russian leader na nagustuhan ko, si Mikhail Gorbachev. It was his term nung time na na parang natigil yung Cold War between USSR and the US. Parang hindi siya naging that political crazy, parang mas inuna niya yung ikabubuti ng Russia economic wise kasi hirap na hirap yung Russia during the time na yun noon kaya nga nagkaroon ng Soviet collapse noon Ayan, it was during his time, natapat sa kanya. Hindi naman niya ginusto yun, hindi naman niya kasalanan. But yeah, they worked for peace with the USSR and the US during his term. That's why I like him, si Mikhail Gorbachev. Also, happy birthday to Karen Carpenter, the woman with the golden voice. She was born March 2, 1950. Sa mga hindi nakakilala kay Karen Carpenter, don't you remember you told me you love me, baby? Baby, 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 baby. Tinagalog. Sanggol, 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 sanggol. Oh, ha. Karen Carpenter. She passed away in 1983. Alam niyo, sayang to, during her, when she passed away in 1983, dami nang hinayang sa kanya. She would have been, bigger than big. She was already big, but she would have been bigger sana, Sayang. Her golden voice. Ang kapareho niya ng voice si Claire de la Puente dito sa atin. Yung mga singer na may golden voice. Siya yung Karen Carpenter ng Philippines. Okay, next up we have movie actress Bryce Howard Dallas. Napagbaliktad ko. Bryce Dallas Howard. Turns 45 today. James Bond Daniel Craig, 58. Pop singer James Arthur. He had numerous hits, right? Turns 38 today. Movie actress Funny Woman, Rebel Wilson, turns 46. Chris Martin, singer, lead vocalist of the band. Ano nga ba yung pangalan ng band niya? Yung kumanta ng Yellow. It's all yellow too. Look at the stars. Coldplay, there you go. See how they shine for you. Yeah, there you go. Si Chris Martin. Next up, nasaan na ako? Naisara ko yata. Aside from Chris Martin, check out the people, mga superstars, celebrating their birthdays day, mga March 2 born. Dr. Seuss, kaya Dr. Seuss Day ngayon, International Dr. Seuss Day. And Becky G, pop singer Becky G, turns 29 today. All right. And among my most favorite birthday celebrant today, and my most favorite artist singer, John Bon Jovi, turns 64 today. I'm a big fan of the Bon Jovi band. You know, they are like number one biggest band for me. Bon Jovi. So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. March 2, birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, so we will take a quick break. We will be back with more of the latest news and updates and a whole lot more. So please stick around because we will be right back.